If you're in the market for a used SUV, most likely reliability and maintenance cost is on the top of your priorities, because nothing can destroy your mood more than the fact that your new hauler spends more time in the repair shop than on the road. When it comes to finding a reliable used SUV with low maintenance costs, several models stand out for their long-lasting performance and affordability. These vehicles offer a combination of reliability, durability, and reasonable maintenance costs, making them popular choices among SUV buyers. In this comprehensive list, we'll explore the top 10 most reliable SUVs that you should consider for your next purchase. If you need a rugged SUV with genuine off-road capabilities, the Toyota 4Runner is the perfect fit. The 2009 to 2018 models are renowned for their reliability, winning the hearts of adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. The 4Runner's body-on-frame construction ensures robustness, powered by a potent V6 engine for daily commutes and off-road excursions. Equipped with four-wheel drive and skid plates, it conquers challenging terrains with ease. Regular maintenance, like oil changes and tire rotations, keeps it at its best. The functional cabin accommodates up to 7 passengers, catering to outdoor pursuits. Safety features focus on reliability and peace of mind. In conclusion, the 4Runner from 2009 to 2018 is a rugged and reliable SUV, perfect for outdoor adventures and daily drives. Embrace its adventurous spirit, perform regular maintenance, and it remains a loyal partner for memorable journeys. When searching for the most reliable used SUVs with low maintenance costs, the Ford Expedition should be at the top of your list. Known for its robust build, spacious interior, and dependable performance, the Expedition offers a compelling combination of durability and affordability. Ford's reputation hasn't always been the greatest when it comes to building reliable vehicles. However, with the Expedition, this is not the case, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a long-lasting SUV. With regular maintenance, including oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections, the Expedition can continue to deliver reliable performance without breaking the bank. From its powerful engines to its solid engineering, the used Ford Expedition proves to be a cost-effective and reliable option, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience for years to come. For those seeking a mid-sized SUV with 3-row seating, the Toyota Highlander stands as a top choice. Renowned for its reliability and family-friendly features, the 2008 to 2013 models offer a smooth ride and a range of engine choices, including a fuel-efficient hybrid option. The Highlander's V6 engine is celebrated for its durability, but regular maintenance is vital to ensure its longevity. Timely oil changes, brake service, and inspections of the suspension and steering components are crucial to keep the Highlander running smoothly and safely on the road. With proper care and attention, the Highlander proves to be a dependable and versatile companion for family adventures and daily commutes alike. The Honda CR-V has been a consistent performer in the SUV segment for many years. Its reputation for reliability and dependability makes it a top choice for those seeking a used SUV with low maintenance costs. The 2007 to 2011 models in particular offer a spacious interior, excellent fuel efficiency, and a smooth ride. The CR-V's 4-cylinder engine is known for its durability, and when properly maintained, it can easily clock high mileage. Routine maintenance, such as regular oil changes, fuel checks, and tire rotations, is crucial to keep the CR-V running smoothly. Honda's recommended service intervals should be followed diligently to ensure the vehicle's longevity. Be wary of the CR-V's weak and fail-prone transmission. However, with proper maintenance, this problem could be mitigated. The Chevrolet Equinox earns a well-deserved spot on the list of most reliable used SUVs with low maintenance costs. This compact SUV showcases a winning combination of practicality, comfort, and dependable performance. With its sturdy build and quality materials, the Equinox offers durability that stands the test of time. Equipped with fuel-efficient engine options, it ensures cost-effective ownership and low fuel consumption. Routine maintenance, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections, helps maintain its reliable performance. The Equinox's spacious interior accommodates passengers and cargo with ease, making it an ideal choice for families and daily commutes. Its user-friendly features and solid engineering contribute to its lasting appeal. For budget-conscious buyers seeking a reliable and efficient SUV, the Chevrolet Equinox 2010 to 2017 model years provide an excellent option, delivering a smooth and enjoyable ride while keeping maintenance costs in check. The Chevrolet Tahoe stands out as one of the best used SUVs that demands minimal maintenance. Known for its durability, spacious interior, and robust performance, the Tahoe offers a reliable and versatile option for families and adventure enthusiasts alike. For those considering a used Tahoe, focusing on the 2015 to 2019 models can be advantageous. Chevrolet made significant improvements during this period, enhancing overall build quality and reducing potential maintenance issues. Equipped with powerful and reliable V8 engines, these models ensure long-lasting performance. The Tahoe's body-on-frame construction and solid engineering contribute to its ability to handle various terrains and heavy-duty use. This makes it an excellent choice for both daily commutes and towing. In conclusion, the Chevrolet Tahoe is a top contender among used SUVs that require little maintenance. With its durability, spaciousness, and reliable performance, the Tahoe offers a dependable driving experience. By performing routine maintenance and following service recommendations, the Tahoe will remain a reliable and long-lasting SUV for any owner. If you're looking for a luxurious and reliable used SUV, consider the Lexus RX. The 2010 to 2015 models offer a plush interior, a smooth ride, and a strong reputation for reliability. And the reputation speaks for itself. For countless years, this luxury SUV has been a benchmark for reliability and dominated the consumer satisfaction charts all over the world. The RX is available in both standard and hybrid versions, known as the RX 450h, with the hybrid option providing excellent fuel efficiency. While luxury maintenance costs may be slightly higher, the dependability of the RX makes it a worthy investment. Most important thing you should do before buying is to check the state of the hybrid battery, because it's one of the most expensive components in this vehicle. Mazda's CX5 stands out not only for its engaging driving dynamics and appealing design, but also for its excellent fuel economy. Among the CX5 lineup, the 2013 to 2016 models in particular boast a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine that strikes the perfect balance between performance and efficiency. Step inside the CX5's well-crafted interior, and you'll be greeted by a welcoming and comfortable space designed to enhance your driving experience. Mazda's commitment to build quality ensures that with proper care and regular maintenance, the CX5 will remain a reliable companion for years to come. Adhering to Mazda's recommended service intervals and guidelines will help prolong the life of this SUV, allowing you to enjoy its performance and comfort for countless adventures ahead. The CX5's reputation for reliability and its blend of practicality and style make it a standout choice in the competitive SUV market. Be careful if you live in northern areas with harsh winter conditions, as the salt in those regions could damage the CX5 body prematurely, as this Mazda isn't the best against corrosion. The Toyota RAV4 is another stalwart in the compact SUV market, known for its legendary reliability and low cost of ownership. The 2006 to 2012 models offer a spacious and versatile interior, making them suitable for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The RAV4 comes with various engine options, including a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder and a more powerful V6. Both engine choices are known for their longevity, especially when properly maintained. Overall, the RAV4 is probably one of the most reliable vehicles you can choose if shopping for a midsize SUV. Don't expect sporty handling or a very luxurious feel from this vehicle though, as the RAV4 emphasizes reliability and ease of use above all else. What if you need more than just an SUV? What if you need a vehicle that you could depend your life on? Well, you probably can't find anything more suitable for this task than the Lexus GX. We'll tell you a secret. The GX is in fact a Toyota Land Cruiser, perhaps the most reliable and indestructible vehicle ever produced, in disguise. Think of it as a special forces operator with a stylish designer suit. With this Lexus, you get a perfect blend of two worlds: an elegant exterior, stylish and comfortable interior, and the build quality and technology of a vehicle that has been continuously on sale for over 70 years all over the world and gained a legendary status, not only from 4x4 enthusiasts, but many respectable organizations also. In conclusion, these top 10 most reliable SUVs with low maintenance costs in the US offer a range of options to suit different preferences and needs. Remember that a vehicle's reliability and maintenance costs can vary depending on previous ownership and usage, so it's always a good idea to get a thorough inspection and vehicle history report before making a purchase. Additionally, regular maintenance and servicing are key to keeping any used vehicle running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Choosing one of these reliable SUVs and properly maintaining it will not only save you money in the long run, but also provide peace of mind as you embark on your adventures. What did you think about this list? We'd appreciate your feedback, so please comment, leave us a like, and if you're interested in this type of content, subscribe to this channel. As always, don't forget to drive safely.